you said the book was positioned. You had a small book on that day. Do you remember it? And do you remember?
Yeah, I remember it very well. We had
good money.
Yeah. So what happened basically is that over that period leading up to the actual Black Monday, the market had been going up and up and up over the summer. A lot of pension funds and asset managers have been selling a lot of options because they wanted extra yield and they wanted to take in the premium. And we were the ones who were effectively warehousing a lot of those options. The October expiry was going to happen in about 5 days' time, or in about a week's time. And we had our books were loaded with out of the money options, puts and mostly puts, because the market had been going up and we were getting new strikes, higher and higher strikes. So we had a lot of options on our books. And so what happened on the Friday was that there was a massive storm came across London Thursday night, Friday morning, that it was very difficult to access London. A lot of trains and buses and things were down. I actually lived relatively close to the office, so I walked in. It took me about an hour, but I walked into the office that morning because there was no traffic. There were a lot of trees down on the roads. So the stock market didn't open that day on the Friday.